Okay, so for most of the Sentinel Kinetic heat recovery range, the filter doors are located on the front of the unit, on the left and the right hand side. So to remove the filter, we just pull open the filter door. We pull on the tab of the filter to remove it. And we'll then replace the new clean filter and closing the filter door. We'll then repeat the same process for the other side. And for the Sentinel Kinetic Advanced, the filter doors are located on the top of the unit. So we remove the filter door by squeezing and pulling. We'll remove the dirty filter from the filter tray. And we'll replace with a new clean filter on the top of the tray. Close the filter door, and then we'll repeat the same process for the other filter tray.